I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
They pop easy with a bit. Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
What I do, I don't know.
So we'll bring the trailers either to them wrong or wherever you let me know later.
Tomorrow I'll give you an address.
Okay.
Just write it up for now, okay?
Yeah, $1,000 deposit,
Yep.
and that's the country air,
Yeah.
and then balance.
And that's the 3,400 one, right?
Yeah, balance due is
2,400.
2,400.
Yeah.
Now you want to buy my girlfriend's trailer, but the deposit won't go towards that because that's hers.
Right.
So I'm going to show you mine.
Okay.
Okay.
That sounds good.
It's almost the same.
You got a lot of nice inventory to work with, and I appreciate your time, Alex.
You got it.
Okay.
I don't know if it's nice, but it'll work. But it's cool. Here. Can you make this work for you or not? See, it's different. Hers has a little walls.
Okay. Do you think how's the ceiling doing? I realize I got to change out the paneling, but
Look at the floor's solid. I towed it from Arizona, right?
okay.
The floor's solid. If I have panels at my lot, I'll give you one. They're only $11 a sheet. Even
Okay.
as bad as this looks.
But is it? Yeah.
If we get on top of the roof, to answer your question, the roof's fine. See, here's the roof.
Okay.
It's fine.
That's what my concern was. So
It's just the panel.
right.
It's just the panel because the water came through this
Right.
and screwed this up. But look at Nate. If we take this sheet here
Yeah.
and this sheet here, this is one 4x8 sheet. It costs $11. I think I have an extra panel. I'll give it to you. You put one panel up here, it'll look a lot better.
Dude.
But I mean,
Yes.
will it really seriously work?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's gutted, but dude, I love it.
Yeah.
It just needs a little bit of work, and it's got a lot of good size to it. It just needs some work.
Well, here's the thing. When I got it,
Yeah.
I thought I'd get $2,500 quick. That's
Yeah.
what I thought. But I was wrong.
Right.
So I got it all the way down to $1,400 on the internet. People are still messaging me.
Right.
Now we're at $1,100 with the $500 deposit. But
Right.
you know what? I paid $800. Give me my money back. If you want $800, give me $20 for gas.
Okay.
I'll make $20 off you. I don't care.
Do it. So
you really want?
yeah. So I'll give you this $320 right now. Deliver it today.
Okay, right now.
Okay, let's do it right now. So I have a home to work with, and it's a project, and I appreciate your time. You did me a good business, Alex, and you're only making nothing.
This is my money back.
You can't have that 20.
Just give me 20 for gas. We're good. Okay, that's fine.
Hey.
Thank you.
Thank you, my man.
Okay.
Okay. God bless you. I thought you were a shyster. He's not that much of a shyster.
Well, I'm waiting for my $39 air compressor to fill, which is going to be an hour. We're going to do some touch-ups here.
Where did that come from?
It was in the trailer. Because the back's open, it just fell right out. I never should have given Donnie $800 for this piece of crap.
Hey, but you made $20 today, right?
Hey, $20 is better than no bucks.
I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
I'll put the ass end of it right here. Cut it. Oh, hey. That was the wrong way of cutting it. Sorry about that. I just want it straight this way. I thought.
Dude, all these people are gonna trip out over this trailer. Watch.
Yeah,
Wait till you paint
I wanted it straight, you know, straightaways, but that's good. Yeah, I'm grateful for Alex, my friend here, who sold me the trailer at a very reasonable deal. He worked with me, and I really needed it to live in, not as a restoration or you know a future investment, but actual place to live in. And I really appreciated him delivering it out here for me and being a good guy and working with me.
You're welcome.
So he's a good man.
I liked it because of the size.
Yep.
It's 24 by 7.5.
All right, Bruce. So I sold you this trailer 6 months ago, and do you have time to show me inside what you did to it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It was in, pretty neglected condition. It was pulled out of a yard. You pulled out of a yard in 29 pounds, I think. And the air conditioners were falling through the roof. It was full of a giant bathroom, all this just trashed, kind of gross stuff I didn't want anymore.
Right.
I mean, you could probably fix some of it, but I really just wanted an open space.
Right. Wow. That's
So,
cool.
yeah, it's a big open space.
It's clean.
I boxed out the
Look at
wheel
this.
wells and I insulated the walls. But first, what I did was I tore the roof up, and I put new rafters, and I pushed it all up because it was kind of sagging
It was
down.
sagging, yeah.
So I pushed everything up, and I put new rafters
Wow.
with real 2x4s.
Real 2x4.
Real 2x4s.
Not
the like
not
one
the
by
little 1x2s.
Yeah, exactly. And then I bought paneling.
And you did the whole subfloor.
Yeah. And
Wow.
I did paneling. I put a little extra insulation. I put some pieces of plywood that I ripped up underneath the metal to push it up. Because my buddy was saying, just make sure you get it humped. That way the water will all run off. If you get
Right.
puddles, then that's a bad scene.
bad, yeah.
So I've been through some rainstorms, no leaks.
Wow.
I used sheet metal and gaskets.
And it's comfortable now. It's
It's
not
really-
old and smelly like it was.
No. It's really nice actually. I mean, I have a little pump sink. I built a little counter. This is just a portable stove.
Did you
but
tear out some walls?
He tore everything.
everything? Yeah, it had a big bathroom and tanks. All the tanks are gone. Everything's gone.
He gutted everything. What is this?
So this is a crazy story. I didn't have power, and I was walking around out here, and I found this box, this broken Goal Zero box with a battery in it. And I was like, oh, that's an inverter. Somebody
Oh.
chucked it.
Oh.
And the battery was dead in it, so I took the and I found this battery at work. It's a sealed 12-volt battery. It's the same. It fits. And it didn't fit in it, so I just hooked it up to that, and it started working. And I was like, oh, cool, I got an inverter.
Wow.
So you have a solar panel somewhere.
I have a panel on the roof. I bought a panel. It was $75, I think.
700 watts?
It's like 30 watts. All this does is for my lights, and it'll charge up these Ryobi batteries that I use a lot for my tools and lights and.
That's
all I
a good
use.
idea. I was thinking about doing that with the ones I have. Because you get solar panels at Harbor Freight now, right?
Yeah, $75.
And
And
then
I
they
stuck
just-
it on the roof.
And they just charge a battery, and then you
Yep.
have your inverter, and that's it.
This battery was at work. They gave it to me. I work on scooters sometimes. This is a scooter battery. It's just a sealed rechargeable battery. There's no off-gassing here because this is a sealed battery.
Wow.
So I just hooked it up to the inverter, and it started working. I was like, okay, I got power. And it's been charging my lights all winter.
That's perfect.
I mean, I just needed a place to cook and work, and I have an ice chest here. This thing holds, I get ice like every 4 or 5 days.
Right.
I built a little bed. I got a mattress at Walmart. It's really firm,
Mattress or blow-up mattress?
No, it's a real mattress.
Oh, it's a real one, okay.
It's one of those memory foam ones.
How much are these memory
It was like $125, I think.
Not bad.
Yeah.
This
It's
is
really
a nice-
comfortable.
This is
That's my road bike,
That's a
yeah.
nice road bike. Clipping pedals.
Yeah. And
That's really cool.
I just got some stuff to store put some hooks up. I saved the medicine cabinet out of there so I could.
There you go.
I have an office. Studio kind of set up here. I do a lot of painting. Unfortunately, most of my paintings are gone right now. I just did a card set for this friend of my sister's. I do like watercolors. I'm trying to. If you look on Instagram, my Instagram is someone's beachy.
Someone's beaching?
Here, someone's beachy, like someone's bike
beachy.
in Italian. I'm Italian.
I should start doing that with my trailers. I should gut them just like this. Put all these. You got these panels.
Yeah, I was surprised how expensive paneling got it.
How much are these panels per sheet?
$30.
30.
Each, man.
You got a little bit of better wood probably.
I wanted something light.
They have the real cheap shit for like $11.
It's really dark.
Yeah.
And it was. I just felt like I wanted to have some light coming in these because it's got all these nice windows and.
Right.
I'm a pretty simple.
This looks way better than when I sold to them.
So what's the laws on the camping on BLM land?
Well, I mean, the law is on BLM land that you have to move your spot every 2 weeks. But
If they come out, even
if they come out here, they don't really come out. And
No.
honestly, to tell you the truth, where we're at right now, this is a mining claim. This belongs to Cascade Solar, this property that we're on right now, and these lots all the way up belong to different people, and no one really cares. And the police, the sheriff, I've talked to them before. They come out and they talk to me. I've talked to the sheriff the other day, and they're just more concerned that I was homeless or that I don't have food, or that I'm injured or something.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah, they're not. He didn't.
Isn't that
They
great?
don't want me to move.
You
or,
never hear that about police, though. That
No,
actually
they're not.
looking out for people.
Yeah.
You never hear that in the news.
No.
Oh, police visited. You know.
He was just concerned to see whether I was homeless or in danger. Or
Being fed, taken care of.
yeah, he was like asking me my name and how I found out about this and how I got here. And
Were they the BLM Rangers or sheriff?
it was a sheriff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And he even asked me, "Did the Rangers come out and talk to you?" And I said no. And he's like, "Well, they might, and they might not." But I think, and then those guys are saying, "Well, the sheriff doesn't even really know that this is private land."
Yeah, the sheriff. Usually the Rangers come here.
Right. The sheriff doesn't know
bored.
that the BLM land is on the other side of those telephone
Oh,
poles.
this isn't BLM.
This
land.
is not BLM land.
Oh, I didn't know that.
None of this is. None of where those yurts are, none of where those guys are, none of it. It's all private land.
Oh, okay.
And so, I mean, I've been coming out here for quite a few years, and this is the first year that it's gotten really, really big.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the show. We appreciate it. If you or anybody you know wants to get rid of a travel trailer, please give me a call. My number is listed at the end of the show on the credits. It's 760-401-5847.